I'm making this video to show you guys how to wall mount this Wybor TV. So when I received this TV and I was trying to do the wall mount, I read through the manual, but I could not find any instructions provided in the manual to wall mount the TV, and that's why I decided to make this video so that it will be helpful to you guys how to do it. So when you open the kit, you will see this many parts provided along with the TV, but there are no instructions provided. So these are the two clamps, these are two another clamps, and there is one rod, and these are the screws provided. So I'll tell you which parts will go together. So this is one rod. With this there will be these two small screws which will go together. So I'll keep this aside. These are four big screws which will go into the wall, so let's keep them aside. Four valve plugs along with these four screws. Then these are some big screws with the bigger diameter it is provided. This will go in the TV here. These are the four holes where will fit. So let me show you. So this is this type of clamp. This will go here. You will have to fit this in the TV like the same way the other one. These are two other small clamps. It is just provided to give the TV support with the wall. So it will fit like this. There's two clamps on the top, there's two clamps on the bottom, and next part is with this rod. So you must have received this kind of clamp. So with this, you need to put this rod inside this hole, and if you see this rod, there are the threads provided, so there will be screw fitted into it. So you need to fit this kind of screw into this rod. So it will be like this. The same way, other side. So it will be like this. Let me fit this. So next thing is, you need to fit this rod on the wall with the four screws provided. So you will fit this thing on the wall, and then you need to hang this clamp, these two clamps on the wall. So I'm not going to show you because I'm not going to drill my wall right now and show you how to do it, but yes, this is it. You will fix this rod on the wall and you will hang this TV on the basis of these two clamps, and you are done. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye, have a nice day.